Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to make a YouTube account. So if you want to start using YouTube but you don't have the account, you can start by creating a Gmail account, and I'm gonna show you how through this video. First you need to open the YouTube app first, and then click on your profile or this button right here and click on add account. Okay, please wait until the checking is finished. Okay, here you just need to basically add your email, but if you don't have it, you just need to click on create account and then choose for myself. Add your first name. Okay, this is just an example, and then click next. Choose your birthday and gender. Okay, click next, and then choose your email address, your Gmail address, or you can also create your own Gmail address, but I'm gonna use this suggestion from Gmail, and then click next, and you just need to create your password and then click next, and after that your Gmail will be created and you can use it to log in into your YouTube apps, or you can use it as your YouTube account. Okay, so I think that's it. That's so easy and I hope you can follow it. If you like the video, don't forget to click like and also subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to leave a comment. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.